right, guys, we are here on the 15th floor. We're gonna check out 1509. When we walk into the unit here, you have a white fridge, white cabinets, a Formica like countertop there, full-size range, microwave, luxury vinyl plank, or something kind of like it in your bedroom. Bathroom is going to have the single sink, has that Formica countertop, tile floor, the same tub shower that we see in the units here, and you've got 2 beds, a dresser, mirror, table, and this is on the 15th floor, so we should have a good view out here. If I could get the lock open on the door. There we go. All right, so here is your ocean view from the balcony. It's actually a pretty nice view all the way around. Nice size balcony here. And like I said, this is 1509. Oops. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks, bye.